Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to drawing. Today, I've got to draw I've got to do a maze walkthrough according to this suggestion, so looks like I'm going to start off with a maze, I've got to walk through the maze for you. So we're going to start off with a basic track. Now, you kind of just go for it. We'll put the end of the maze there. This is a very simple path to follow. Yeah. Nothing too hard to work with. And then you got to get people off the scent. So then you draw a bunch of other random lines everywhere, as seen. Yeah, coming along. Yeah. Just kind of want to keep going, try and get everything kind of nicely wrapped around each other. Don't things completely messed up. Kind of doing a lot of staircasing, as I like to call it. It's a very widely used strategy in the gaming world. Alright, I want to cover the tops. Very good. Then you want to, we're going to just cover that up. Okay, now okay, so we're going to delete that. But yeah, you might be thinking, but hold on, I'm not opening up any paths to anywhere else. It's too easy. I'm just going to escape without even thinking, because the one path just does it. Well, you see, that's when you get the last bit, which is where you get this, and you kind of just go, let me change that real quick. There we go. So then you kind of just, let me change that one more time, because apparently I can't. There we go. And then you kind of just do this stuff. Throw them off the scent. Get them lost in many different places. Oh, I just realized they're covered up. There you go. Yeah, you just open it up a bit. Open it up. I think that's good enough. There's a few places you can't really get to, but whatever. Okay, there you go, I drew a maze.